Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the eufy by Anker HomeVac H11 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This ultra-lightweight and compact vacuum is the perfect solution for all your home cleaning needs. With its 5,500 pascal suction power, this handheld vacuum can easily suck up every speck of dirt and dust in seconds, making everyday messes a thing of the past. Plus, its 2-in-1 crevice tool allows you to reach into even the tightest corners and under low-lying furniture, leaving every nook and cranny of your home spotless. But that's not all. The eufy HomeVac H11 is completely cordless, weighs just 1.2 pounds, and is roughly the size of a wine bottle, making it incredibly easy to use and store. And with its micro USB connectivity, you can conveniently charge it with any USB charger in your home. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and make your life easier, then you definitely need to check out the eufy by Anker HomeVac H11. Plus, with a worry-free 24-month warranty, you can rest easy knowing that you're making a smart investment. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the eufy by Anker HomeVac H11 today and say goodbye to everyday messes for good. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.